Hey, what's up guys, Mark Taylor here for another video. Alright, you know what? I don't know about you, but so when me visit a Chinese restaurant, the go-to meal is always sweet and sour. It's either sweet and sour chicken or sweet and sour pork served with fried rice. You see me? I guess that's one of the safe meal. But plus it tastes good. So you know what? I always say more prepare it and never get a chance to. Or even get a chance to sometimes just can't bother and jump to something so I know to prepare. So I'm going to challenge myself today and prepare sweet and sour chicken. Mine might be a little different in terms of the color. Yeah, you know, sometimes I've seen it where it's either golden, you know, have a golden orange looking color to even reddish kind of color. Yeah, but it tastes the same, it still tastes just as delicious. So you might do your thing different, but this is my way of preparing sweet and sour chicken. Stick and stay. Alright, so here, if I take a we're going right so these are my ingredients. So I have the pineapple to my far left, you know, my sweet pepper, scotch bonnet pepper, onion, paprika, as well as a array of different other seasonings including salt, black pepper, garlic powder, onion, vinegar, because you want to get the kind of soyish taste and stuff. I have some ginger, well you're not seeing that picture still, but yeah. There's also browning, sugar, flour, cornstarch, and I have a little food coloring. So that consists my ingredients. Of course I have ketchup as well. So using all of these, we're going to make sweet and sour chicken and I'll serve with pumpkin rice. Yeah, watch and see. Alright guys, so normally I see people use either chicken breast or chicken thigh, you know, bite size use and do sweet and sour chicken. But guess what? I believe once you have a piece of chicken or whatever you have, it can sweet and sour. But I know chicken breast, so I have some mixed parts where I basically cut up one thing already, you know, the wing and all of them something there. It may go use and sweet and sour my chicken, isn't it? So as I said, I cut up basically cut up already. Basically I wash it, start the process. You know, use vinegar, or if you don't have vinegar you can use lime or lemon and wash the meat easily. After which you're gonna go through with seasoning. Alright guys, so you don't know it's a seasoning time now. Chicken don't clean up and thing. Put a little salt. Some garlic powder, some black pepper, got some chopped onion, got some parsley. This is parsley flakes. I'm just like time down. Focus the camera point. Yeah, this is it. Give food a nice flavor too. Almost smell like ganja though. Man, you can eat ganja and cook some food. One of these days. Alright. And I'm going to add some paprika. And then we season up the thing, isn't it? Add some browning and then yeah. Season up the thing. And make it marinate for some time. If you hear some singing at the background, one church in here, so you don't know, say, I want to take you in the gospel while we cook. See me? So rub up everything. Rub up and make everything, every piece get chance some of the seasoning. We need to get back to the basics of life. Remember what the rest of the family going on with the nice song. chicken raw, but look like you could almost eat right now. Alright, so as I said, I'll make this marinate for some time while I'm going to prepare the rest of stuff then. Stick and stay! Alright guys, so while the chicken is marinating, we're going to get the batter ready. And the batter is basically flour, cornstarch, you can season it up with some black pepper, you can season salt or whatever you have. And I'm going to be using an egg in there as well. Sweet and sour chicken is almost basically fried chicken. French fried chicken, but it is all in the sauce. It's all in whatever you do after you do that, right? So let's watch the steps. So I'm going to get some flour in. I'm going to get the cornstarch in. And if you don't have the cornstarch, you can just use the flour. If you don't have the flour, you can just use the cornstarch. Either or either, yeah? Alright, get these out of the way. As I said, season up the flour a little bit, so a little, not much, just a little salt in there. A little black pepper. Mix up everything, mix up everything. Gotta get the egg in here as well. Look, I beat down. Mix up everything, mix up. Get myself some water. If you have water, I can use milk too, but milking on me no work, so your water will work. So basically, if you have a whisker, so you can use it better. You're going to rub it out until everything comes smooth. You don't want a lump tonight. If I listen to me, I do this now, should I probably crying because I guess I want direction I'm supposed to do this tonight, but guess what? Once you get whatever needed to be done correctly, then have to bypass some of the way them do. Alright, so yeah man. Whisk it like a biscuit. So it come nice and fluffy, smooth. So basically I'm going to throw this butter over the chicken. And if I want more. Alright, so probably not want more. I don't know. If you want more, mix some more. Simple as that, yeah? Alright. Alright, so see what chicken there? So I just pour this butter. Over it. Make sure I get everything out. So the flour now really whisk out down there, so but that stage part today. Alright. Make sure it's everything mix up and blend up. Make sure every piece gets some of it, you know. Calm and steady. Alright, so while you're doing this, you can get the oil ready. You know, get it preheated and stuff like that, so you can just toss them in. Alright, so like everything mix up and blend right about now. So I'm just going to rest a little bit and we get the oil ready. Yeah guys, it a go on. Alright guys, so let's taste and see if the oil ready. Yeah man, look like it ready now. So chicken, sometimes drop it in piece by piece. One by one, 2 by 2, 3 by 3, number by number. Suppose we don't meet. Remember that song there? Well, that's when we go church, guys. Suppose we don't meet. Suppose we don't meet. And finish it. Alright, so I'll make them now fry. We should have a bigger pot to put in all of them one time too, but guess what? Just have work to do about those. Alright, so let's go and fry while I'm going to prepare the other ingredients for the sweet and sour chicken. Alright guys, so I'm going to get the vegetables prepared and put it aside. What would sweet and sour chicken be without adding the vegetables? So I have my onion, put it in half, another half, so the 4/4, and I cut them up in smaller pieces. I have my sweet pepper, and all of these are already washed. I'll take out the seed. Seed in there at all. You can cut these up in strips. And then cut up in smaller pieces similar to the size of the onion. I have a tomato as well. And you have a little something to spice it up. So this is scotch bonnet. So I'm not going to use a lot of it because I'm cooking for my son and nephew. My nephew can alcohol, I think I'm on to spice, but taking Alex in consideration, just going to use just a small piece to pep it up. If I should need any more pepper when I'm eating, when I'm sure my own can just put the piece in there. Yeah, but that's it for now, yeah. That consists of veggies. Okay, here I go. I know that is a thing that you can't forget the chicken I go and fry it, so you don't want to burn it. So just turn them. But I know that you want to jump off the stove, you know. So yeah. Let's go with you drop on you. If it's clean the wall now, kind of wall it. Alright, so just turn on the flame and little too high. So my chicken must fry nice. Lovely. Alright guys, so one more important stage, and this might be one of the most important stages through the process, is that you need to prepare a sauce. So I have my veggies aside, chicken is currently frying. I'm about to prepare the sauce. So I have pineapple slices, and it's already not well, it's there one thing. You can use the normal pineapple fruit, cut it up and use the skin as well as the inside. But either process, just use the thin slices. I already have these, so why not use them? Ketchup, 2 of food coloring, and you don't really need to use this still. If you have enough paprika and stuff in there, you don't really need to use the coloring, but don't just drop a little in there just to get the right color. You want your vinegar, as I said before, so you get the sour taste. Have a little ginger and sugar for sweetening. Alright, so first of all, you need to get this open. I'm going to open now. So guys, tell me, how do you open a tin without having an opener? Watch my style. Alright, so wipe off my tin. Gonna wash it too. Wipe it off. My knife. The knife I got too whole heap, you know. I realize you don't really have much of a point because of this now always I use an opening tin. Put it on the tin and I tap. Open up and just take it right around with the knife. Right around. Then flick up. And there you have it. Tin open. Lord have mercy. I'm going to show you something. Tin open. I'm going to get the contents out. So I pour the juice. Well, the content basically. I want the pineapple. I want the juice, yeah? It smells nice though. I wonder what it tastes. Never eat pineapple in a tin before now. Alright guys, so I'm going to do a taste test. As I said before, I never eat them pineapple in a tin before, so I'm going to know how it tastes. It tastes like that. One of them, normal one. Not yet bad. Now aftertaste though, I guess because we don't preservative when you put the knife. Alex, how taste this? So what that taste?
It's good.
Tastes good? Miguel? Oh.
Wait, never mind.
You don't like the taste again? Taste it. I heard it's supposed to taste like pineapple, but it tastes alright like normal. Aftertaste, so. You want to cut up the film? Put that shirt on. I'm going to have a man Alex D. What boy is it? Boy, afraid of camera, you see? Alright guys, so I'm going to, as you can see, the pineapple can come in big slices, so I'm going to dice them up. So that's going to be the job for Alex. Right? So let me cut the other one first and then we can go and work on that. Alright? I'm going to help you do. Alright guys, so we're going to start cutting up the pine. You see if this was normal pine, we could have cut up, cube it up, you know, like dice. But because you see like this now, we have to try find another way to cut it. Alex, you're going to cut it like this. There you go. Small pieces, right? And you just take it up and put it over in the top here. So, alright, so take your time. Right around, so let me help you with these. Alright, Alex, so you're going. Yeah, you move the sauce. So come with that side of the water, come.
So what's it in there now?
When you throw it in there, okay, when you stop. Go ahead. Go. I do it. Right. Alright, so let's start. Okay, sorry, are you ready now? Start.
Stir fry.
Well, you have a dancing stir fry. Where you go? You do it empty? Let's take spoon out first. Stir fry, you know. Alright. Stir fry the pot now.
And there's a food new stir fry.
Yeah. Alright, so I'll get in a little vinegar, of course. So, so about a cup full of vinegar, or not so much, probably half cup. Because you know some vinegar a bit of sitting in the member, they give vinegar to Jesus on the cross. But then bake some water. Vinegar then give, you know, a wicked deal. But the cork is small still, so kind of cork full, look at it. One cork full of ginger. I'm get a little more because I want for sauces. Alright, just a little more. Alright, that's it. One of the Alex. I need some ginger. One stir it up with me, Alex. One stir it up with me. And guys, the real ginger would have better, but for now we have the ginger extract. Yeah? So Alex, stop stirring now. I use a carful of that too. Or probably 2 carfuls I want ginger. Taste what they want to overpour it. So 1, 2. Stir it up. Alright. So that's what is the word in there, Alex?
Ketchup.
You say you're not. No, before you ketchup, put in some sugar. Salt. No, salt. Put some sugar. So you want some sugar. Sweetening. Stir it up. Stir it. Now put some ketchup. So put in ketchup. Alright, but take your time. Hold on. Before we do all of that, you want to do a taste test. You get me? So, when I do taste test, you take a little, you know, look at this. You got my hand niggle. Ow! You see your soup.
How is this, right?
Alright, let me take the taste, but I want to have a little bit. And make a little. I take it fast. What it is? I'm not taste the sour in it. I'll dig a little more vinegar in it. Lord have mercy, what me not kill the taste. Look at thick.
So do you have to with water?
What is water? This is water?
No.
I'm going to give so I think that's some water. I'm prank your mother and skin some water. Alright guys, so ketchup time on this thing, right? So hold it.
A carb?
No, it's always a little dash ketchup until it says dash no more. Alright, that should be enough. Ketchup here. Why is it expensive nowadays? These so store it. Take time. About half foil, right? So take it time. Remember the foil is right here. I don't want your spoon near your face. So I'm going to turn on the stove. I don't want this too high.
Or is that right?
Alright, so now there's a chicken now, but let the sauce go on baby. I'm going to add a little flour, or no, not the cornstarch, only enough flour to it. And that should consist our sauce. Stir fry. You have to teach me to do that dancing all this time. I dance to see if I know life.
You could ask me then.
Nigga? Alright guys, so make that sauce go and do this thing and take out the rest of the chicken and watch the step. Alright guys, here I'm gonna add a little this. Yeah guys, so I'm just want add a little, just a little kind of want to kill it, you know. A bit toops. Come on, something. Color change. Smell nice, you see man. Breathe off in the ginger, the pineapple. You can smell the vinegar right about now. Color not change much, so I just add a little bit more. Alright, that's got the color now. This look like color now. Alright, so I'm going to add the cornstarch onto it. Get it a little thicker than what it is. And let it cook a little. And then I do the rest of the things. Yeah? Alright guys, so I have my cornstarch right there, so. Get a little water to it. To mix that out. Just as how we make the butter or the creamy. The bone plump in it. But again, with this putting in there, you know, it's a white, and you throw up on something red. You know, see that change by the color a little bit. But then, let me see how bad the color will change. If it change too much, then you might add a little more, add something to it, you know. So the color not change much. What I think the color is might be the ideal color I want it to be. So this is it. And it's on a low heat, so you know while it go on steam a little bit, it will get a little thicker. So I think this is perfect. I think this is perfect. So I'm going to just that go cook a bit. And then get the vegetables prepared. Stir fry, as Alex says, stir fry. Alex Taylor, stir fry time. Let me put it in the center for you. And stir fry. So I'm putting a piece of thyme in this too. Look at the vegetables, they look nice on it. Smell it? You smell it? Smell nice, man.
I wish you guys would taste the smell.
Man, I smell. I don't know how to smell it. I don't want to eat it. Alright guys, one piece of thyme for chewing it too. Alright guys, so drop in a piece of thyme as well. I'm continuing to stir fry. Alright, enough of that. It's good enough. We're going to pour the sauce. Sorry there, so it's hot. It's coming in hot. I'm going to pour the sauce on top of this. So my pineapple each up on this one. So here what. And all that pineapple one on me, none of them escape. And them not escape. Alex up there now. See that? Lovely. So guys, we're gonna get the chicken in. So the chicken, they kind of burn up the show. They're alright though, man. Alright, so we're gonna get them in. It wasn't kind of like a chicken with a good amount, man. I want to make sure it's everything. Cover the chicken. Yeah. I'm going to turn this down. I want it to go and cook somewhere now. I want the sauce cook through the chicken. When I eat this now, it just... Yes, it's for dinner, Alex. It's not for lunch. So, take this off of your mind. Guys, what time am I prepare dinner on a Sunday? Now it's approximately after 10. About 10:15. From there I cook this. So, you know, so later I can just kick up my foot and go and relax. See what I'm going right there, so? Let's cover up this. Okay, go and cook. But the color go on. I would call a kitchen and the color look like it hardly get to box cover. But I might heat and sour chicken this, whatever it turn out to be. Trial and error. Yeah. Watch out and see what I go on. Some grace? Is there grace right there? Okay. Gotta drink cherry juice. Cheers. Natural juice is always the best juice. No preservative or nothing like that. One thing you need to know about me, see me? I come to drinking, me put food aside and drink. Jaja, refreshing, not gonna lie. Cherry, mulberry, and pineapple. Here, put on the juice, yeah?
Daddy, can we have this for tomorrow for dinner?
If you eat too much. Hey guys, so thanks for watching, but before me leave, I'll tell you something. You see, if you have the opportunity to, to start a little garden, if you have a backyard or if you have some container can plant something, I tell you, better do it, because trust me, food expensive is a shame. Right now, today I'm going to buy some of the stuff them, go buy the onion, and the man tell me say $400 for a pound of onion. Some say, alright, give me half pound, and I 2 onion, I 2 onion I get. That would have been for $200. When I look at them, I say, Jaja, food prices really skyrocket. So if you really can start at the garden, trust me, with cash crops and stuff you know you use regularly. I tell you, but they do it. I'm gonna start. So guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment, as well as if you don't subscribe, kindly ask you to do so, and share. And let me just tell you thanks again for all those who have been supporting us. Blessings, enough love, and respect. Have yourself a great week.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, fuck everybody, just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal.